All right, teachers, this is a part 2 of how to upload a video to your Google website. So this is what we're going to do. I am on my iPad again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Google Sites. So I'm going to click Safari because I'm on Safari. And I should have sent you this email for access, I think a week ago. So if you dig in through your emails through the email that I sent, if you're in the 5 rooms, I should have sent access to you. If you're in different rooms, your coach should have sent access to you. Okay. So look through the emails, and then you should have gotten an access email, and it should look something like this. It should look like when someone sends you access, it kind of gives you. Let me look for this email. So like Tabby, she sent me the 4-room invitation to edit. So it should look, if you got an email from me, it should look like Roberto Diaz 5 rooms invitation to edit. So you're gonna click on that, and you're gonna click the bottom left. Don't click the open button because that's gonna take you to the publish site. You're gonna click the bottom left screen which says 4 rooms. So I'm gonna click on that down here, and then I'm gonna click open with Google Sites. That's the button you need to click so you can make it and edit it. So I'm gonna click open with Google Sites. And because again, Tabby shared access to me, I can then now edit on this Google Sites. So it's gonna give me the edit screen. You see, here's the edit screen. But I'm not gonna make edits on the 4-room sites. I'm gonna make edits on the 5-room sites. And this is the screen that I have. So I'm gonna click the 5 rooms for the sake. So again, I'm working on an iPad. So it's a bit different, but the same concept applies on the laptop. So the 5-room site is loading up. Okay, so now I'm on the 5 rooms edit site. Okay, now I'm not on the publish site. This is where I can manage some of the stuff. Now I'm gonna show you how to upload a video on here. Now you see there's a lot of videos uploaded already. Now you may wonder, how do I upload that video? Well, what you need to do is you need to look at these layouts right here. Okay, there's different layouts, right? There's at the bottom right hand corner, there's these four. You can put 4 videos, 2 pictures, 2 videos, 1 picture, however you want to do it. So just play around with it. What you're going to do though is you're going to click this and you're going to drag it to the left. So I'm going to click this layout. I'm going to click this layout and drag it here. Oh, it's not working. There we go. Just click it. And then you see how there's 2 little boxes. One has a plus button and with dashed lines, and one has click to edit text. So right here, I'm just gonna click to edit text, and I'm gonna type in what I want. So I'm gonna double click it so I can type. Again, I'm working from an iPad. Oh my gosh. There we go. All right, greeting. All right, so obviously you just write greeting, whatever. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click this plus button. And this is how you upload the the YouTube video. So if you click the plus button, this little pop-up screen is going to pop up. You're going to want to click YouTube. Click YouTube, and it's going to take you to the screen. Once you're on the screen, what you want to do is, remember how I asked you to copy the link from Google? From YouTube? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to share, and I'm going to copy the link. So it's copied, all right? And then I'm gonna go back to Google Sites, right here. And then I'm gonna paste. I'm gonna double click it. I'm gonna hit paste, and I'm gonna search for that video. And voila, mine came up. So I'm gonna click it, and then I'm gonna click select. And now my video is right there, ready to rock and roll. And then I can put Greeting by Mr. Robert. So that's how you upload videos. If you don't want a video, you don't have to. You can put pictures. The same thing applies. And then over here on the left, you can click the colors. So because the background is yellow, if I hit that, it's going to turn yellow. But if you want a different color, you're going to want to hit image, and you're going to want to hit select image. Okay, and it's going to take you to this Google galleries. Right. If you want some of these backgrounds, you can use some of these. But if you want a specific background, you're going to click search. And let's say I want a blue background. So I'm gonna type in blue background. Okay, I'm gonna search for it. And bam, blue backgrounds pop up. So now out of these blue backgrounds, I kind of like this one. I'm gonna select it, and boom, that's the background that I get for mine. So you can put any background. If you have pictures of your students, if you have If you like flowers, whatever you like, you can put that as a background. And then you can click the edit text so you can add stuff. What's also cool about this is that you can actually, depending on the layout you choose, you can move stuff around. So yeah, feel free to play around with this and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.